Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss if you can open your garage door if the spring is broken and the associated risks, along with some valuable maintenance tips. Opening a garage door with a broken spring is possible, but it's dangerous and not recommended unless in emergencies. If faced with this situation, it's always safer to call a professional garage door repair service. Garage door springs, be it torsion or extension springs, play a crucial role in the smooth operation of your garage door. They differ in their locations and functions, but both types are integral to your garage door's performance. Opening a garage door with a broken spring can lead to safety hazards and damage to the garage door system. The best course of action is to consult a professional to handle the issue. If in an absolute emergency, you can manually open the garage door with assistance or use the emergency release cord. We offer step-by-step instructions on our website. Check the link in the description of this video. But remember, these are just temporary fixes. It's essential to get professional help for a permanent solution. When dealing with a broken garage door spring, rely on professionals for a safe, efficient, and cost-effective repair. They're trained to handle the risks and have the right tools to fix the problem. Preventive maintenance, including regular inspection, lubrication, and replacing worn-out parts, can help you avoid future garage door issues. It will not only extend your garage door's lifespan, but also enhance its safety and performance. That's it for today. Always remember safety first when dealing with broken garage door springs. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.